Our Tiny Forest project is about planting beautiful tiny forest green spaces across the UK, and we're here today planting with the Queen's Green Canopy and Glasgow University our 152nd tiny forest. So tiny forests are all about bringing communities space where they can interact with nature. So we're planting 600 trees here today, all of which will be planted by the community itself, and it gives a chance to people to really get their hands dirty and be outside and enjoying being in the outdoor space. But also brings environmental benefits, so these 600 trees will grow very quickly and they'll bring biodiversity and they'll bring different benefits.
All trees absorb carbon and produce oxygen, and when you think about it, we have 600 trees here, so this is what we call a carbon sink, and this is a fantastic way to talk to students about the biodiversity of this actual project. And we plan to bring students out here. They will we'll have this set up as a classroom. There'll be benches here, and this is open to anyone to use, people in the community. This is here for students to use, for staff to bring out other groups to do teaching. We had a primary school in this morning and they planted trees. We've already invited them back, so it's a wonderful facility for all of that.
As a university, we're really conscious of our responsibility to maintain the estate, not only for the benefit of our staff and students, but also with wildlife and with plants and animals in mind. And I guess in that regard, we've been trying really hard to do lots of different biodiversity initiatives out here at Garscube over the last couple of years. So wildflower planting, putting lots of bulbs out, getting rid of invasive species, and I guess the tiny forest is really the latest of these biodiversity initiatives coming to fruition this afternoon, which is great to see.